హలో హలో నమస్కారం అండి అన్నగారు. నమస్కారం అండి అన్నగారు. నమస్కారం అండి. ఏమి తెలుగు తెల్లేదా? తెలుగు తెల్లేదా? నాకు తెల్లేదండి. అగైన్ నమస్కారం అండి. ఓకే, యువర్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ నోయింగ్ అబౌట్ తెలుగు. ఓకే, shall I talk in Telugu or English or Malayalam or Hindi, sir? Telugu. ఓకే, బాగున్నారా అన్నగారు? బాగున్నారా? ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థింగ్స్ సార్. మై నేమ్ ఇస్ రాజా అలైస్ రాజరత్నం, ప్రెసిడెంట్ టికా, మేనేజర్ మార్కెటింగ్, కార్ అచీవర్, పెన్షన్ అచీవర్, టూర్ అచీవర్, లండన్ టూర్ అచీవర్, pension achiever, first director achiever, first Benz achiever, and because of all your hard work, right now I am getting about 10 lakhs per month, means in between 12 to 15 lakhs per month. Okay, thank you sir. Do you want to become crorepati? Sir, do you want to become crorepati? You must have only two kind of qualities. Anyone can become crorepati in the world. Sir, I am simply metric failed sir. In case any mistake, please excuse me. I am not having that much of PhD in English because permanent head damage. Okay, I am not having PhD, so simply metric failed. Okay, so human being, the opportunity is being given to human body only. Means Bhagavan opportunity ko kisko diya? Humko diya. Opportunity is being given to the human body only to become crorepati. So anyone can become crorepati. But one condition, you must have two qualities. You must have two qualities. Yes, Raja become crorepati in TLC. I am also human being. You are also human being. The people, everybody born in the earth, means hum sab ek jaise janam hua. Yes or no sir? Yes or no sir? So you can become crorepati. You must have two kind of quality. That quality is already existing with you. That means you are already having that much of quality to become crorepati. Number one, you must be completed 17 years. You must be completed. I think everybody is completed 17 years. Sir, 17 years completed. Sir, are you 17 years old? Sir, can you give the reply? Sir, are you 17 years completed? That means you are 50% eligible for crorepati. You are having 50% eligibility to become crorepati because only two conditions are there. One is 17 years must be completed. Another one is you must know any one language in India. Sundara Telugu. Sir, can you talk in Sundara Telugu? Sir, in the world thousands of languages are there, but only the Telugu is being rewarded and awarded as Sundara Telunginil participate. Great applause. Really very great. Okay. But ఒకటి వార్త సార్, డబ్బు లేదు, ఏమీ లేదు. సరే ఎస్ సార్ నో? డబ్బు లేదు, ఏమీ లేదు. So what we are saying, you are having already two kind of quality, means 17 years already completed. Second one, if you want to talk with anyone, you can talk. Yes or no? Sir, can you talk? Sir, can you speak? But people are usually speaking about the serial and cinema and politics. But what we are saying, sir, please talk about your life. Please think about your life. Please talk about your future. So today onwards, what you are going to do is, just you take one policy on your name, that's all, and you start to speak, that's all. If you are having that much of quality, means already the power is being given by the God to you. If you want to speak to anyone, you can speak. So usually the people are saying do or die. Sir, usually the people are saying do or die, but what Raja is saying, do before die. But everybody is going to die. Yes or no sir? Everybody is going to die. But what the Indian strategy is, out of 100%, everybody is going alone. Sir, everybody is going alone. But out of 100%, according to the Indian strategic report, 98.3% people are going with loan. Sir, got my point? Sir, got my point? Everybody is going alone, but 98.3% people are going with loan. Sir, you don't go like that. You go without loan. You don't go without loan, because TLC is only the company which is making the revelation in the world, not in the India. TLC is only the company which is making more and more revelation. TLC is only the company which is giving the financial freedom to the people, those who want to become crorepati. But one thing, sir, human body is made by the cells. Yes or no, sir? And it is being charged by the oxygen. The science is saying like that, but Raja is saying like that. Human body cells are only being charged by the dabbu. Money is the real motivator of human being. Without money, no one can live happily. So do you want to live happily? Put your efforts, do dedicatedly. Means the God already given the 24 hours to all the people. The God is given 24 hours timing to all. To all. Out of these 24 hours, how many hours you are utilizing for your future? That is my question. How many hours you are utilizing for your future? Means already 30 years gone. Means out of any human being, put your efforts for 60 years. Means human being can work for 60 years. Already 30 years gone. What's your record?